Sorting algorithms. Insertion sort. The main concept of insertion sort is to take the first value from the unsorted part of the array and move the value into the correct place in the sorted part of the array. Since we can consider the first value as the initial sorted part of the array, we should move to the next value. 5 is the last value we have to insert into the correct position. So we insert 5 in front of 2 since it is the second lowest value. To start the insertion sort algorithm, we must first create the loop. The outer loop starts at the second element and goes through all the elements. In this part of the code, we need to find the correct position. The key is the element we are trying to insert into the sorted portion of the array. We initialize j as I minus 1, which is the last index of the sorted portion. The while loop moves elements greater than the key 1 position to the right. Once we find the correct position, we exit the loop and place the key in its correct position. This part of the code is the initialization of the array and the printing of sorted and unsorted array. Once done, the output should look like this. This is insertion sort. See you in the next tutorial.